So I'm going to try something new today, something that I haven't done before. I'm going to try to cook a Korean food that I just learned from YouTube. Okay, just a disclaimer, I don't know how to cook. Like the only thing that I can cook is just rice. Yeah. Okay, and let's see. I found it on YouTube to Korean food. It looks kind of easy because you only need a few ingredients, and I think I can do it. So I hope you guys would watch until the end of the video and to see if I failed or not. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm done cutting the green onions and I think I did a good job. Look at this. Ta-da! Oops. There we go. I think I did a good job. Now I'm ready for the second step.
The new sound of the 80s. Suddenly you hear it everywhere. It's all beat and all talk. It tells you a story and makes you want to dance. Steve Fox examines an overnight phenomenon, rapping to the beat.
Big bowl. Okay, so let's start. Wow, that's a big rice. And now I'm going to grab this. Okay, that was too messy. So here it is. Right now I mixed the rice to the egg, the raw egg. now I'm going to add oyster sauce. So I'm okay. So I'm finally done cooking, and this is the outcome. So it's Korean fried rice with kimchi on top. Okay, so it looks good. Now I wonder if it tastes good. Ready? Ta-da! Now I'm ready to taste it. Okay. Okay, I don't know how to use a chopstick. I'll give up. I'm going to use the spoon instead. It's yummy. Especially with the kimchi on. It's so yummy. So I'm going to let my brothers taste my dish. So let's hope that it's good. Yeah, how is it? It's good. No? Wait. Ay, pinuhin niya. Get off, you get na. So, how is it? How
Tastes
was it?
very bland.
What?
Tastes very bland.
Okay, now let's try with Adolf.
Parang yan, it tastes very bland.
Try. So, what do you think?
Kung taste ito.
Is it good?
Yummy?
Yeah, is it good?
Look sa camera and tell ko yummy.
Yes? Yummy. Yay! Okay, let's try Dad. Okay, let's try Dad. Go, Dad. Taste my dish.
Tells you a story that makes you want to dance. Steve Fox examines an overnight phenomenon. Rapping.
What's with that face? So, what? Say something.
Tastes good, but I can do a lot better.
So, as out of 10, 10 being the highest, how will you rate it? Or what will you rate it?
7 and it's better to be 7 than to be a princess like mom.
So, baby, how about you?
Taste.
Eat. Okay, how is it? Is it yummy?
Yummy.
Yay! Okay. So it turned out to be a success. Okay, so that's all for today. Bye.